Yes, we have learned about multiples. We found how to get common multiple, how to get the LCM. Now next we are going to read about the factors. Now in multiples, when we were multiplying two numbers and the product was known as multiple, now here the numbers which is multiplied, that is known as factor of the product. As example, 4 into 5, if we multiply, 20 is a multiple of 4 and 5. You have learned till now. Is it? You have learned 20 is multiple of 4 and 5. We have learned. Now, this only could be written as 4 and 5 are factors of 20. A number, when it divides any number without leaving the remainder, that is known as factor. Now, as a multiple had properties, factors are also having some properties. That is, a number has finite numbers of factors, as the multiples were infinite but the factors are finite. Second is, 1 and the number itself are the factors of every number. Means every number is divisible by 1 as well as itself. Property number 3, 1 is the smallest factor of any number. Property number 4, the number itself is the greatest factor of every number. Property number 5, factors of number are always smaller or equal to the number. Property number 6, every factor of a number is exact divisor of the number. So these are 6 properties related to the factors. Now we have certain ways to find the factors. As example, here I am multiplying 4 and 5 to get 20. So this is called finding factors through multiplication. Is it? The same thing could be done. If I divide 20 by 4, I'll get 5. So 4 and 5 are factors of 20. So this is called multiplication method through multiplication, and this is called through division. Is it? So we have these 2 ways to find the factors. Other than these 2 ways, we have prime factorization also, that we will be reading next, not now, immediately. Now the first question says from exercise 7.2, find the factors of each of the following through multiplication. So we have to find the numbers whose products are given numbers. Which numbers are given to us? They are the product of those numbers we need to find. Is it? Let us begin exercise 7.2. A 15. Now I need a number which gives you 15 when you multiply. This gives you 1 5 15s are 15. Then it is not divisible by 2. 3 5s are 15. And again you get 4 3s are 5 3s are 15. So when you get vice versa, 3 into 5, 5 into 3, you are getting vice versa, na? So immediately stop. No more multiplication. This would be the last multiplication. Now what are the factors of 15? See, here I have got 3 into 5. Next step I am getting vice versa, 5 into 3. So we'll stop it here only. No more multiplication. So factors of 15 will be 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. It turns in U-turn in this way. 1, 3, 5, 15. These are the factors of 15. Using multiplication this is. Let us see number B also. Given 18. Now I need to find a number. When we multiply we get 18. 1 into 18 it gives you 18. 2 into 9 it gives you 18. 3 into 6 it gives you 18. Then again in 4th table 18 doesn't come, 5th table 18 doesn't come. Again 6 into 3 this gives you 18. So this is vice versa. You are getting 3 into 6, 6 into 3. So we'll stop it here. So factors of 18 would be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay. This is the using multiplication. Let us see number E. They have given you 56. 1 into 56, you are getting 56. 2 into 28 is a 56. In 3's table does not come because the sum is 11. 4 into 14, 56. 7 into 8, 56. 8 into 7, 56. So we are getting here vice versa. So we'll stop. So factors of 56 is equal to 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. You see, in this way we come 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28, 56. In a term of u, we'll get the factors. Okay, my dears. This is using multiplication. Next, we have to find the factors using division. So let us see question number 2. Question number 2, it says divide. Now we have to see with what numbers this given numbers are divisible. Is it 2a, 42. When I divide 42 by 1, I'll get 42. 42 divided by 2, I'll get 21. 42 divided by 3. 42 divided by 6. And 42 divided by 7, 6. Again we are getting vice versa. Divided by 6 is equal to 7. And the next step we are getting 42 divided by 7 is equal to 6. So we will stop division here only. So the factors are of 42 are, again start as u, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Is it? Let us see. Number C, 48. 48 divided by 1, 48. 48 divided by 2, 24. 48 divided by 3, 16. 48 divided by 4, 12. 48 divided by 6, 8. And 48 divided by 8, it is 6. So we are getting vice versa here, my dears. So stop division here. So factors of 48 is equal to, come by this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So this is called division method. Hope you understood. You have to complete question number 1 and 2 from exercise 7.2. Is it? This is exercise 7.2. And if you do not understand, my dears, Monday we have live class. You can ask me in the live class. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, my dears.